Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing a product review. The name of this product is Pacsafe backpack. Now before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the backpack with my own money. Now on to the product review. Okay, all right. Backpack by Pacsafe, 25 liters. I literally just opened it and used it this morning for my trip, which I am here now in Dallas. So I would like to say this is very, very durable. That's one. And two, is very spacious. Here's why. So as you can see, I have a new laptop, the MacBook Pro, and I wanted to add some things, but unfortunately, I did not want to add more things in this laptop bag. So what I've done is I went ahead and take this backpack, put my laptop in here, like so. Okay. Now, of course, it had a weight to it, but one thing about this backpack, okay, this is specifically made for travel, all right? Here's why. One, in the back of the backpack, you have your compartment where, I closed it, where I put my comb, and where I moved it, where I put my wallet here, okay? That's one, okay? Two, look at the strap. It's different, all right? It's not the conventional strap, but this is like the locking mechanism. I don't even know. You see, okay, boom. There you go. Let me go closer. You turn this, you snapped it, and then you can release it. But that's not the flex. The flex is, let's say you in a restaurant, right? You take the bag and you lock it in place, okay? In a table or a chair, boom. And then you just twist this way and it's secure. So let's say you can be chatting it up with somebody, you don't know what's going on. You see my YouTube channel, KadeersTV, and then somebody trying to snatch this, is gonna slow them down, all right? It's gonna slow them down. Okay, so that's one feature I think it's nice to have, all right? I think that's a nice touch. All right, so that's one. And not both is designed like that. It's just this side, all right? Has a nice padding in the back so you don't feel fatigue, okay? Now, the front of the bag, okay? Zippers. But let me say the inside. Inside, this is where you put your keys or whatever you want, your keys. I wouldn't put my passport here neither. I'll just leave it in the back too, okay? But you want to put whatever you want to put here. use your imagination. But check this out. Check this technology. Okay? You push it in, right? Let's say you're walking, somebody right behind you, and they trying to like pickpocket or backpack, pick it for you. They can't. See that? You see that? The only way to open this is by squeezing this, okay? Now, of course, if they trying to do this, of course, you're going to see it and you're going to feel like, hey, somebody messing with you. So you squeeze this, squeeze it so it can make way. That's the only way to open it, all right? So, of course, it's going to deter pickpocketers from, try to pickpocket you or try to mess with your bag, okay? But wait, there's more. Now, I really don't know this thing here. I really don't know what this thing is about here. I really don't know. What is that for? So your main compartment, which is here, okay? This is here. Remember this? Where it has my laptop bag, right? You zip it up, okay? It has a locking mechanism as well. So, see this clip? This is a clip where it locks in your zipper. See this? Let's see. There you go. See this? Okay, so you lock it in place. Hopefully the camera picks it up. That's one. And then that's two. See that? So now the metal clip is holding both zippers together, but it's discreetly tucked away. Okay, it's discreetly tucked away. So you could be chilling. See that? So I like this feature because look, it doesn't feel bulky, and I have my laptop bag in there, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it was heavy because the laptop is heavy. It's heavy, y'all. So they trying to commit a crime on you. They try to try to commit a crime on you. They can't. You know what I mean? I mean, look, man. Let's be honest. People will try, okay, and people gonna try. And I'm not saying this is 100 proof. I'm not saying that. I'm not advocating for that. But look at the safety mechanism and pickpocket mechanism. That's all I'm trying to tell you. What I'm trying to tell you is a good investment, in my opinion, okay? Because I travel, with my vlogging gear. I mean, I don't carry a lot of money when I travel anyway, I leave my passport in the hotel. I leave, credit card. I might just bring just one credit card, my phone, and that's it, and my vlogging gear. That's about it. But if I travel with a laptop, I will not travel in between or into places with my laptop. I'll leave it in the hotel. Okay, so yeah, this will deter people from from trying you, because they're gonna have a hard time. All right, but of course, if somebody, look, man, these are materialistic things. If somebody try you, I don't wish nothing on nobody. I don't wish bad on nobody, but it happens, okay? Things happen, and look, man, when it do, it's not worth it. Just, you at gunpoint, even knife point, just give it up, man. Because listen, you can always buy it again, okay? You can always buy it again, but your life is only one life to live, and just is not worth it, in my opinion. Materialistic things is not worth it, because as long you're working, I know money is hard to earn nowadays, but as long as you're working, you have the opportunity to gain it back, okay? Because safety is number one priority when it comes to traveling, but there's some instances where you just can't avoid, and listen, these materialistic things is not worth my life. That's just what I'm saying for me, okay? But anyhow, Pacsafe backpack, 25 liters, okay? My final thoughts, I think this is a good investment. As you can see, I like the minimalistic design, and it feels secure when I travel with it. And I have nothing negative to say about it. As a matter of fact, I think it's an investment. Look, you don't have to buy Pacsafe. Just buy a backpack with some safety features on them and anti-pickpocket on them, And I have the fanny pack to this. Actually, believe it or not, my mother put me on to Pacsafe. She purchased one for me as a gift. It was a fanny pack, and it was good. It was nice. I still have it till this day, and now I have a matching backpack with it, so that's a good combination. So with that being said, I like it, and in my opinion, it's a good investment, and we're gonna leave it at that. Okay. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.